Welcome to Bikini Island Club. We invite you to a paradise of thrill and relaxation. Feel the rush on the waves, banana boat ride, laughter, speed, and unforgettable moments. Fun for friends and family. Arriving at the stunning Bikini Island, crystal clear waters and white sand. Your perfect island escape. Take a step into the ocean, snorkeling, swim alongside vibrant tropical fish. An experience you'll never forget. Immerse yourself in a natural aquarium beneath the surface. Capture your best moments at Bikini Island. Strike a pose on the iconic Bikini Island swing, one of Guam's most popular photo spots, featured in Korean and Japanese TV shows and music videos. Banana boat plus snorkeling plus Bikini Island, all in one. BSB Tour. Local and military rates from $45 to $25. The best value way to experience Bikini Island. We offer a variety of tour packages: jet ski, aqua walker, parasailing, hurricane tube ride, super screamer, private boat charter, private party barge rental, tailored just for you. Visit our website for details.